I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and getting direct access to the clutch cable. With the handbrake on and wheels chalked, raise the vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove the left footwell inspection cover to expose the clutch pedal linkage. Once done, locate the adjuster nut at the pedal end and the inline adjuster in the engine bay, then measure pedal free play. Aim for about 10-20 mm at the pedal top. This gives you a baseline, so your adjustments are controlled and reversible. Now you perform the actual adjustment. Loosen the lock nut on the adjuster, then turn the adjuster a quarter to half turn to reduce or increase cable tension. Clockwise typically shortens the cable, reducing free play. After each small change, red-tighten the lock nut temporarily and remeasure pedal free play at the top. Aim for 10-20 mm. Make sure the cable moves smoothly with no kinks or tight spots. If it binds, correct routing or lubricate the sheath before finalizing adjustments. Finish by securing everything and testing on the road. Tighten the lock nut to hold the adjuster, reinstall the inspection cover, then lower the car. Start the engine and test clutch engagement in first and second gear at low speed. Make sure the clutch releases cleanly and does not slip or drag. If engagement is too high or slipping occurs, double-check cable condition and adjustment, inspect the master cylinder and pedal assembly, and consider replacing a stretched cable or bleeding the hydraulic system if applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.